Hi, welcome to Lincoln Park Library's Projects to Go. Today I'm going to tell you about a kit we have that is making a letter B bird. In the kit you will receive a printed out letter B, a handful of feathers, an orange triangle that you'll use for the beak, and a Google eye. You can start by coloring your letter. I have colored my letter B blue. Blue begins with B, and it also makes a really pretty blue bird. After you've colored your B, you're going to use some glue, and you're going to glue your feathers onto your bird. Because birds have feathers, right? Feather doesn't begin with the letter B, it begins with the letter F. But we're doing B. Birds have feathers. Once you've glued on all of your feathers, wherever you want them to be, we're going to give him his face. We're going to take our orange triangle and we're going to put some glue on that, and we're going to glue it where the mouth should be, because birds' beaks are their mouth. And finally, we're going to give him a Google eye so he can see. We're going to glue the Google eye in the little circle that's put on the B right where the eye should go. And once you're all done, you have your very own beautiful blue bird. Thank you. Have a great day.